Aw bazalwane, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. Hallelujah. For God did not send his Son into the world to condemn the world, but that the world through him might be saved. So there is this song, brethren, by Ayanda and Ntanzi, which says, I am loved, who am I? Oh, Bayete, my Lord. Or we can say, Hail the King. Hallelujah. So we shall sing it in a Siswati version as a karaoke. So join us as we worship the Lord. Come along, my boy. Hallelujah.
Ngiyathandwa ngingubani obaye njengosi yami. Ngiyathandwa ngingubani obaye njengosi yami. Ngiyathandwa ngingubani obaye njengosi yami. Ngiyathandwa ngingubani obaye njengosi. Shona pasi Ngiyatsandvwa bo. La 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 la, shona pasi.